Okay guys, we just wanted to take a little quick time out in our day to do this little short review on these bags, or these storage compartments that you put on the back of your seats. So as you can see, these are all like MOLLE compatible bags. You can see I've already got my MOLLE bags tied in on them right there. These things hold tons of stuff. Little multi-tool here, big huge pockets up there, and then this pocket right here is another large pocket. And one of the cool things about this is not only do you have all this storage, but up under here you'll see that there's like places to put water bottles. And this set, when you buy this set, so you can see, put your own little morale patches on it, but this set, when you buy this set, it comes with two. So you got one for the back of each seat. So yeah, these are something that I really like to keep inside of my vehicle because there's so much storage potential and possibilities that you can use it for. I keep my tools on here. This is my little ouch pouch. It's got my first aid stuff. That's another one that's got a few little tools in it to work with the multi-tool and stuff like that. So yeah, this is definitely something that I recommend for the back seats of your vehicle or your truck, Jeep, or something like that. So yeah, definitely recommended.